In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link emails to deals in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. Linking an email to the right deal keeps conversations, context, and decisions exactly where your sales team expects to find them. Before we begin, make sure your email is connected to Pipedrive and that you have access to the sales inbox. With that in place, let's walk through the simple flow and add a few helpful tips so you're confident every time you do it. Start by opening Pipedrive and heading to the sales inbox on the left sidebar. This is your home base for incoming and outgoing messages. If you don't see it right away, expand the sidebar or look for the mail icon. Give the inbox a second to load so all recent messages appear. Next, find the email you want to attach to a deal. Hover over the message and check the box beside it. This selects the conversation. If the email is part of a thread, selecting it will typically handle the entire conversation, which is great for keeping context together. Just be mindful, if you select more than one email here, all selected items will be linked to the same deal. Now look to the top toolbar and click the link button. Depending on your view, it might say link or show a small chain icon. If you don't see it, try widening your window or checking the More Actions menu. Clicking link opens a small search box. Start typing the name of the deal you want to associate with this email. Pipedrive will suggest matches as you type. If you see multiple deals with similar names, skim the extra details shown in the suggestion, like organization or pipeline, to make sure you're choosing the right one. Click the correct deal from the list, and that's it. The email is now connected. You'll usually see a confirmation right away. The email will display a deal badge or label, and if you open the deal itself, the message will appear in the timeline or email tab, keeping the record clean and transparent for anyone viewing that deal. If you don't see the deal in the search, double-check spelling and make sure you have access to that pipeline. Also, confirm that your email address is synced correctly in Pipedrive. To recap, open Sales Inbox, select the email, hit Link, search for the deal by name, choose it, and you're done. A few clicks, a quick search, and your correspondence is organized exactly where it belongs. That's all you need to link emails to deals in Pipedrive quickly and confidently.